Hello friends, welcome to Infigyan. In this video, we will be solving one Singapore Math Olympiad question which is based on log. Question is 1 over log b base a plus 1 over log a base b equal to square root 1229. We have to find the expression value 1 over log b base ab minus 1 over log a base ab, this value, and a is greater than b greater than 1. Both values are greater than 1 and mutually a is bigger than a. Okay, a is greater than b. Okay, so I'm going to show you two methods or two approaches, I can say. First one as it is without substitution, and second method we can see this problem as substitution. So let's get started. So what we have to find out, this expression value. I am taking this expression as by the property of log a base b is there, then I can write this as log a base 10 over log b base 10. So log b base ab can be written as log b over log ab. Similarly, log a base ab, we can write log a over log ab. So let me put the value here. So I can write 1 over log b over log ab. All bases are base 10 minus 1 over log a over log ab. Okay, this is, you can consider like this. Okay, now log ab will go to numerator, so it will become log ab over log b minus log ab over log a. All right, now logarithmic xy suppose written, then I can write log x plus log y. So I will use the same. I will be having log a plus log b base 10 is there over log b minus log a plus log b over log a. Now divide. Split numerator with common denominator. So I will write log a over log b plus log b over log b, so 1, minus log a over log a, so 1, minus log b over log a, so I will write as it is log b over log a. Now I can cancel plus and minus 1. So what is left? Log a, let me write over log b minus log b over log a. Now if you will see what is given, it is in denominator form. See, log is in denominator only. So shall we write log a over log b as 1 over log b base a? This is by the property of any time we can write this one. So we can write minus 1 over log a base b. Okay, so let me write this one. 1 over log b base a minus 1 over log a base b. Now I can write, because I want to use this directly as it is. So I will write this one as 1 over log b base a minus 1 over log a base b whole square. Square root is there and square is there. So it is same, means no change in the value. Now you can see one algebraic identity which states that if a minus b whole square is there, then we can think about a plus b whole square. Very useful it is. And minus 4ab. This I will use directly for this square root square. Okay, so let me apply directly. So it will become square root of, I will use a plus b whole square. Consider 1 over log b base a is completely your formula a, this term. So I can write 1 over log b base a plus 1 over log a base b whole square minus 4, take the product of both. So 4 times 1 over log b base a times 1 over log a base b, and we are having square root. Done. Now what I will do, I will use again one property which states that log a base b times log b base a, that value will be always 1. Once you will write log a base b, then log a over log b, and log b base a, log b over log a. So both cross terms will get cancelled out. We will get 1. So this value is 1, and this value is given in the problem. See, it is given. So square of, let me consider square of 1229, square root of, this is your bracket and whole square is there, minus 4. So if I will write this value, then I can write 1229 minus 4, the square root of 1225, which is 35. This is our answer by without substitution. Now let's give substitution. Second method. So I will consider 1 over log b base a equal to t. This you will find easier. So what value will be 1 over t? Then we can write this, the second term would be, so I will write 1 over log a base b. It is same, you can check. This is log b over log a, and this is log a over log b. So first term I am taking t, so second term would come out 1 over t. So our equation will convert the given equation. Let me write using this. So given equation will become t plus 1 over t equal to, what I will write is square root 1229. And what is asked? T minus 1 over t. This we have to find out. One important point is there. If a is greater than b is greater than 1. See, why it is greater than 1? Because that time log would be positive. Otherwise, that value will come out negative. Second thing, if you will check t minus 1 over t, so that value will be always positive. This information is for to conclude that t minus 1 over t would be always positive. Okay. Now you have seen already this term is, see, this is your required expression. So t minus 1 over t we have to find out. Okay. So let me write here. What I will write, take square both sides. So if I will take whole square, then I will have 1229. Let me take a square. So I will get t square plus 1 over t square plus 2. So I will take towards right, then it will come out 1227 minus 2. A square plus b square plus 2ab, so that is plus 2. You will take towards right, it will give you 1227. Now this value we have to find out, t minus 1 over t. So what I am going to find, out square of that. Okay, why? Because I can use t square plus 1 over t square directly then. So that square would be minus 2. So t square plus 1 over t square we have just calculated. It was 1227 minus 2. So it will value will be 1225. If you will take square root both sides, you will get plus minus 35. This value will come out plus minus 35. Now by our conclusion that t minus 1 over t is always positive, which we concluded from here. So I can conclude minus sign would be rejected. So t minus 1 over t, which is our required expression value, that is equal to plus 35. This is how we can conclude our result. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video.